Hi everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make the hot pad for the plate or the bowl. And this is very easy. I cut out a circle of 11 inch and half. You can use the same technique that I show you all the time how to make it. Get the newspaper or the shop the paper bag or something like that, and then make a circle by folding the paper into 4 and then go around. So 11 inch and half, you should do 5 inch and 3/4 of an inch. So now I'm gonna fold after cutting the circle, or you can trace whatever bowl or pot lid if you want, okay? Any size you want, everyone, okay? And now you're going to fold back this way. I want to make this into a hexagon that I show you many times. So I'm gonna fold this into 3 parts. And go into here to see if it's even. When everything is even, then you can cut the side, okay? This is how you make the shape of the hexagon or or octagon. Octagon you have to fold into 4. Hexagon you fold into 3, okay? Now at the side right here, I'm going to draw the line. So when I draw the line, I'm gonna cut this out. Then you have the hexagon. This one I'm going to make for my sister. Open this up. So I have this one right here. This is now 11 inch and half still, okay? You're going to fold this like this. Place it on the fold of the fabric, and you're going to cut 6 of this, and then 2 different one for the body. Just do 6 different and 2 at the same. Just do that, okay? So 8 together. You're gonna place that right at the fold, and then you're going to start cutting it out, okay? So I'm gonna make sure that go right to the fold and everything. And from here, trace the line, and then you're gonna cut this out, okay? So everyone, after I cut 2 for the body, okay, so the right side facing out, right side facing out, wrong side facing together. And then 6 of this, I cut all different one. Whatever you want, you just place it, you have to place it in order, whatever you want, okay? And then you're going to start from there. So the first one I'm going to do from here, very simple, everyone. I just want to make sure my camera cover, and that's the most important thing. So I'm gonna go from this one right here, this corner. Place it, make sure the corner touching the corner. As you can see right now, I'm going to just clip it down, okay? And then the next one, and you're going to clip this down. And then next one, remember the fold facing end. Just go around, make sure this one a little bit off. Make sure you check it, okay, everyone? So I cut 2 pillow thingy, just like that, and then I place it in here, this corner. And 2 more. So it's like this. You go into here from the first one you use, lift this up, put it down underneath. When you do it, you want to make sure all the corner meet, okay? And now this is look like this. Okay, this one need to have one on it. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm going to plate this way. Okay, let me just clip this together. Okay, so when I place in this one, I'm gonna lift this up. The last one, I'm gonna lift this one up, and I'm going to bring up the blue and this one. So two of them together. Okay, place this underneath. Take this out so I can slide out like that. Okay, remember two of them, not one, two. And then place that underneath and place it on top. Now you have all 6 stuck in like this. Isn't that so easy? I love doing this kind of work. So simple. And now you going around. If you want to make sure every corner meet together nicely, then you can clip it all together. Okay, now you're gonna go and clip all around. Every corner's in here. You going to sew close to here. I would do a 1/4 up and ends. You're gonna sew this all together on the side here. And so now this, remember we sewed a 1/4 of an inch. Here I have cut 2 inches wide. With the fabric right here, I cut in 2 inches. And then you're going to fold in here a 1/4 of an inch and fold it like this. The whole thing, you're gonna fold it in half, okay, all the way. You're gonna fold it in half. You don't need to iron, but just fold it all the way, the long way, all the way to the other end, okay? Just press. If your fabric is easy to fold and press, and it light out, then do that, okay? And then I'll show you here, so when I go on the sewing machine, you don't get confused. So I'm using this area so I can show you it lighter. So I'm gonna plate in away like right here. I'm gonna plate this, and I'm going to sew it about, let's just fold it down here. I'm gonna sew it down from here to here about 1 inch. And when you get into here, you're going to stop, okay? Don't sew on the fold. Leave the fold open, because later on we're going to stuck the other end inside. And then when I get into here, this area right here with the corner. So now when I sewed it to here, before I get into here, like a 1/4 up and end, I'm gonna stop, and then I'm going to go straight up to the corner right here. Okay, every time you go to 1/4, I'm gonna stop and I go straight up, and then I come back down. I'm gonna move this out so you can see. Okay, so now I have this away, and I'm going to fold it down. I fold this down. I'm gonna sew right here about a 1/4 up and inch away from the fold. So this is this fold right here away. Okay, don't close it because you need to stuck the other side inside. So I'm gonna go away from that a 1/4 up an inch. Everyone want to get into here. You see this where we started, and I got into here. Cut in this way. So then the short side, it can be up here, and the long side can be at the fold. This pocket easy cake for everyone. So just after you press around, okay, you're gonna fold it in the back just like that. In the corner, you see how we sew the corner, and now the corners stay down like this for you. All you need to do, just fold in this two sides like this, folding it, and look in the back and see if it fit perfectly. And then you go on to clip it, and then after that you go on to sew. Very simple, super easy, everyone can do. If I can do it, everyone can. Okay, if you want for the beginner, get the Emma glue and glue it in here, or double side tape. I like to use glue better than the double side tape because it keep everything down nice for me. Okay, so go around and doing exactly what I'm doing, and then after that, after you're done folding all this side, then you can sew. Very easy. If you want the border to be bigger, then you can cut in 2.5 inch or 3 inches, okay? But I think this is good enough. So go around, fold it down. You can iron this if you want to. At the corner, just fold it down, and it coming down for you, and in the back it's gonna be folding down exact the same way. Clip this. This area a little thick because we joist the thing together right there, the two ends. Okay, so when you're done, you're gonna top stitch all around here, and then you are done. Okay, clip it all around, fold it in the back and the front, make sure it's all even, and then after that you're gonna go and iron it if you want to, whatever make it easy for you, and then you go to top stitch. This, everyone, I sewn around the border here to show you how big this is. 11.5 inches. 11.5 inches. 11.5, okay? And for this, you can put the place on it if you want to, like that. You make a few, you make you know, whatever fabric you want. You don't need to make a pillowcase or anything like that, okay? Whatever left fabric, the little piece everywhere, you can make that. Or you can, if you don't want to put the place, you can put the pot on top of it, because we have 2 layers for the body of this, and then 6 of this, but it overlaps, so it's good enough and it's thick enough to put it on top and not damage your table, whatever table you use. Okay, if you damage your table, I don't know what to say. Okay, don't blame me, but just give you an idea. If you want an extra protection for your table, then ask the bedding for the inside if you want. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for the people who's been here with me forever, I just want to say thank you for coming and visit my video every time I upload. And thank you for the people who joins my channel membership and donate to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness and your support to my channel. Just want to let you know that every time you're watching my video, if you see something that I use, just go to my channel page and use on the search bar on the top, just search whatever you're looking for, and if I already make it, it will show you. Okay, sometimes I get the people ask me, if you make that, can you show me the video? And I didn't get the comment. I don't look at the comment right away, and you have to hang in there and wait forever. Instead of waiting, you can check it yourself too, quicker that way. Okay, everyone, Stay safe. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. And I will see you next time.